Hello everyone. Good morning everyone. I'm Supatra. This video I would like to show my duty. Okay, regarding I'm a board of installation of FTTX. Okay, two peoples. Board has two peoples and chair was my manager. My manager was chair of board. I'm not sure. Okay. Sign name of three peoples. Chair and board, second board and third board. Okay. And when I sign name, okay, and number two, already I fill this form. Replace or instead my customer they don't fill in this form application, okay, and my customer sign name only, okay. Okay, around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay. Okay, sign in in Thai language. Okay. Oh, number 9 application. My new duty regarding a lot of application. Every application, every form. Okay. Oh, it's not up and. Okay, fill this form. Replace my organization. Oh, my organization. No, my customer. Okay, package and installation. Okay, for example, Okay. I do. Okay. Finish one application and I do later next time. Okay. I show everyone enough. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Goodbye. สวัสดีค่ะ